Hi students, this is ELIMU KIGANJANI. Welcome, and we're going to continue with mathematics from 3 topics, and our topic is relation, and today we are going to cover part of domain and range. So domain and range of any given relation, dear students. First of all, suppose that a relation between two sets A and B is R, relation R, such that A is mapped onto B. Set A is mapped onto set B. So this is a simple relation, the notion actually we be using in this explanation of domain and range. So how do we now identify domain and range? Domain of this relation is the set of all members of set A which are related to a member of set B, or members of set A which will have corresponding members in set B form the domain of the relation. So basically, all members of set A having corresponding members actually in set B our domain of this relation. And what about range? Range of relation is the set of all elements of set B which are related to at least one element of set A. So this detail here is really important, that the relationship here is the members of set B are related actually in such a way that at least one element of set A is related to member of set B. And so range, we are talking of all members of set B having actually their correspondence in set A, dear students. So if we are going to have a relation like this one here, from this relation you can easily identify now what is domain and range, and from this we can clearly say that domain is going to be actually, domain will be a set of numbers 2, 3, 5, dear students. What about range? We are going to say that range of this relation is going to be a set A, C, E, F, G. So that is a simple way of how we can actually explain about the domain and range of relation. So let us go now to examples. Example number 1. In example number 1, so from this example, use the values below to represent the relation R that exists between X and Y in terms of ordered pairs and write its domain and range. Use values below to represent the relation R that exists between X and Y in terms of ordered pairs and write its domain and range. So we have X and also we have Y. So we have to find a way how they are related to each other, dear students. So to see the connection between X and Y, from the first members of these values we can see that Y is equal to 2X. And I think this is valid when we check all values here. For we to get Y equals to 1, we just multiply 0.5 times 2. For you to be able to get 2 here, you have to multiply actually 1 by 2 and so forth. So we can see that actually the above relation is a set of ordered pairs x, y such that y is equal to 2x. So that is a relation, dear students. And also, because first of all, represent a relation R that exists between x and y in terms of the ordered pairs, we have shown that write its domain and range. So from the given set above, dear students, we can clearly say that domain of R now is going to be -3, 0.5, 0.5, 1, 2, 5, 6. So that is our domain. Going to range. So range of R is going to be again a set of ordered pairs, and in this aspect you'll be having -6, +1, 2, 4, 10, 12, dear students. So that is solution for example number 1. Jump into example number 2. Given that the following ordered pairs 1, 2, 2, 1, -3, 4, -3, 5, 2, 2, -8, 0, and also have -8, -3. Okay, so which from this question, which ordered pairs belong to the relation R, a set of ordered pairs x, y such that y is greater than x. So solution. So what you're going to check, actually, you check the ordered pairs. You check the ordered pairs such that you're going to see that y is going to be greater than x. And so from here, we can say that actually the ordered pairs with this R is going to be actually 2, 1, because 2, 1 you can, 1, 2, and from this ordered pair you can see that actually y is greater than x. So this one here does not satisfy. The next one is -3, 4. Does it satisfy? Yes, it does. This one here does not satisfy also. This one here does not satisfy, and this one here do satisfy. So -8, 0. And the next one, dear students, is this one here, -8, -3. So from all these, you can see that actually this condition here is satisfied. So which of ordered pairs belong to the relation R here? We have seen that the ordered pairs is this one. State domain and range. So domain of this relation here, dear students, domain is going to be 1, -3, -8. So that is domain. And range will be having 2, 4, 0, -3. So that is domain and range of this function, dear students. So basically this is how we are calculating actually how we are dealing with domain and range of any relation. I think if you digest it slowly, you're going to be in position to understand that you can do any question of relation and you can find domain and range very easily. So focus into this foundation and I'm sure you're going to be in position to solve all the questions easily. So if it is your first time to be here, consider subscribing to the channel so that you're going to get the coming contents, but also share with your friends so that we enjoy learning mathematics together. Until next time, peace.